Good morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about the use of that and those. In our last lesson, we had learned about the use of this and these. Do you remember? Yes, good job. This and these are used to tell about nearby objects. Let's start our new lesson. Children, we use that to tell about a single object which is far from you. Let's see some examples. That is a tree. That is a car. That is a house. That is a mosque. Children, those is used to tell about more than one object which are far from you. Let's see some examples. Those are oranges. Those are cats. Those are butterflies. Those are grapes. Let's do some more practice. Look at the pictures and say that or those for them. Right. That is a book. Those are lambs. Good job. Those are dogs. Yes, that is a bus. Well done. Those are hens. Now, you are able to use that or those correctly in your sentences. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.